Hey gang, it's the Average Guy coming at you here with an unboxing video of the UCLEAR Motion 6 Bluetooth communicators. Big Guy and I have been using the HBC 200s for a lot of years now. They finally exceeded their life expectancy. It was time to replace them. So we started shopping for some other devices, and we went through your big name brand items, which I'm not going to get into on this video because if you're shopping for these, you probably know exactly the brands I'm talking about. And ultimately, we decided to land back at the UCLEAR product. So this is just going to be an unboxing video, but we're getting ready to take a motorcycle trip. And when we do, we will review the functionality of these and talk a little bit more about the functions and the features. But for now, I just kind of wanted you to see exactly what I saw the day I opened the box. So there's the box they come in. When you slide this black part out, this red insert kind of unfolds, and there's a description of the inventory that's in the box and how many of each item it includes. And then there's a quick start guide and then your more detailed instructions. And as I pan over to the right, what I've tried to do is, for all of the important hardware, I've taken it, completely out of the plastic bags. And if it was a sticker or something like that, I left it in the plastic bag. And if it was just kind of halfway in between, I unplastic bagged one of them and left its counterpart bagged up. So you'll see over here that there's a pile of different stickers. These are little foam pads that have Velcro on one side and they're padded on the other. I'm honestly not sure what those are for yet. There is a wall plug that's actually pretty cool. You can charge both at the same time. I'm not sure that's coming out on the camera, but one of those says 2.1 amps and the other one says 1.0 amps. So you have a faster charger and a slower charger. Down here you have this stuff was in the bag just like this. It's the clip that goes between the shell of the helmet and the liner, and then your UCLEAR would clip into that. These two mounts actually have sticky tape on the back so that you can essentially glue that straight to your helmet and then clip your UCLEAR in there. I was pretty impressed that it came with 2 cigarette adapters, so that's pretty handy. If you got 2 people on 2 bikes and you each have a cigarette adapter, you could charge them at the same time. Came with some stickers, which is great, but my stickers are all buggered up. I don't know how you screw that up, but my stickers are half crushed. And then I took one of the devices and headsets out and left the other one in the blister pack that it was in. And then of course there's 2 charging cables, one in a bag and one out. So at least initially you kind of get a view of these things. They're a lot thicker than their predecessors, and this actually is very light. There's like nothing to it, but the material is more of a hard plastic. It's not all that silicone coating on there. So far so good. I'm gonna go install these in a brand new Shoei Neotech 2 helmet. I don't think we're going to do a review on that because there's like 8 million of them already on the internet. But if you have any questions about this unboxing, please feel free to comment below. And remember to check back so that you can get a listen in on what our feedback is after we take them on a trip, how we feel about the functionality, what the features are we like and don't like, and things like that. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.